My name is Chris, and this is an instructional video that will demonstrate how to create and manage user groups in the Windows 7 operating systems. So, in order to manage user groups, we have to open up the Microsoft Management Console. Now, to do that, we're going to come down here, click on the Start bar, and in this little search bar, we're going to type MMC. And you're going to notice it pop up right here. Now you can either click on that or you can press enter. Either way works. So we're going to click on it. It's going to open up the console. Now if you don't see local users and groups over here, then we need to add it. To do that, we click File, Add Remove Snap-in, and then we're going to scroll down here till we get to Local Users and Groups and click Add, hit Finish, and then OK. And it'll pop up right there. Now from here we want to come over, double click on groups, and that's going to show a complete list of all of the default user groups that were installed with Windows 7. Now from here, if you want to edit any of these, you can simply double click on them. For example, administrators. You notice Chris is already a part of this one. We'll go ahead and click on them and hit remove, and then we're going to add them back by going in here, typing Chris, clicking check names, and you'll notice it located it, and then hit OK, and that adds it back in there. We can alter the descriptions, and then we're going to hit apply, hit OK. Now to create a user group, we're going to right click, hit new group. We're going to type a test group 2, because if you notice, I already have a test group 1 right down here. So we're just going to say that this is a test group for instructional video. And we're going to add Chris to this one as well. So we're going to hit add, type in Chris, check names, and then hit OK. And there he is. From here we're going to hit create, close this, and there it is. Now to edit it, we can double click or we can right click. And from here we can add more people. We can delete it, rename it, or go back into the properties. For now, we're just going to delete this one. And I'm going to go ahead and delete my test group 1 from earlier. Now, to actually edit what privileges the groups provide to the users in them requires a much greater technical know-how and a much larger knowledge base of the Windows 7 operating system. So I will not be demonstrating how to do that in this video. So we're just creating and managing user groups for now. Once you've done all that, we can go up here and click on the X. It'll ask if you want to save the console settings. Hit yes. It'll ask you for a name. We're just going to name it console 1. Now I've already done this, so I'm going to override it. And it'll close that out. And that's all there is to it. My name is Chris, and this has been an instructional video on creating and managing user groups within the Windows 7 operating system. I hope you enjoyed watching and that the information provided was of use to you.